Have you ever wondered how everyday products from spices to paper cups are made, and how some of these processes could actually fit right in a small workshop or even a garage? You don't need a massive factory or a huge team to start producing practical items efficiently. Sometimes all it takes is the right machine and the knowledge to use it. Today on Business Byte, we're going to explore 7 compact, hands-on machines that make production not only possible, but surprisingly practical. We'll break down exactly how they work, what materials they need, the space required, and the little trade-offs you should know about. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of how small-scale manufacturing really operates. Let's dive in. Machine 1. Industrial Multifunctional Mini Spice and Hot Sauce Filling Machine. This machine is designed for filling powders, liquids, or pastes into bottles or jars efficiently. It automates measuring, filling, and capping, which saves time and improves consistency, especially when compared to fully manual operations. The workflow starts by loading the raw material, for example, chili powder, curry powder, or a tomato-based sauce, into the hopper. You set the machine to dispense a specific volume, place your jars or bottles, and the machine fills them precisely. After filling, the capping unit seals each container automatically, creating a product that's ready for storage or sale. Materials required include the spice or sauce, containers, and caps. It's compact enough to fit in a small workspace, roughly the size of a dining table, though ventilation and cleanliness are important to avoid spills or contamination. Advantages of this machine include versatility. You can switch between powders, liquids, and pastes, and minimal training for operators. Trade-offs include the need to clean the machine between different products and the modest speed compared to industrial-scale units. Noise is relatively low, and electricity requirements are moderate, so it's practical for small setups. Average price of the machine, $6,250. Target users, entrepreneurs producing sauces or spices, small home-based food workshops, or boutique food brands. Machine 2. Aluminum Foil Roll Making Machine. Aluminum foil is a staple in kitchens and packaging. This machine transforms raw aluminum sheets into neatly rolled foil ready for commercial use. The workflow is simple. Feed aluminum coils into the machine, adjust the width and length, and the rollers trim and roll the foil. The result is consistent, smooth rolls that can be packaged or used directly in production. Materials required are aluminum coils, and the workspace needed is around 1.5 meters by 2.2 meters. Safety precautions are crucial, as sharp edges on the foil can cut hands. Proper lubrication of rollers is important for smooth operation. Advantages include consistent quality and compact size, making it feasible for small workshops. Trade-offs include the requirement for careful handling and minor maintenance such as blade replacement. Energy consumption is low for such a machine, and it's generally quiet during operation. Average price of the machine, $8,000. Target users, small foil manufacturers, craft packaging producers, or entrepreneurs exploring metal sheet products. Machine 3. Small Business Toilet Paper Roll Making Machine. Toilet paper is always in demand, and this machine automates rolling, cutting, and wrapping tissue paper into consistent rolls. You start by feeding large tissue sheets or jumbo rolls into the machine. The machine then rolls them into standard sizes, cuts, and wraps the rolls, individually or in multi-pack bundles. Materials needed include tissue rolls and simple wrapping materials. Workspace requirements are about 6.5 meters by 3.2 meters. Advantages are high consistency and reduced manual labor, while trade-offs include handling bulky raw paper rolls and allocating space for operation. This machine can be noisy during high-speed operation, and occasional maintenance involves replacing cutting blades and checking rolling mechanisms. Average price of the machine is about $7,500. Target users are small-scale tissue producers or entrepreneurs supplying local retail shops. Machine 4. Small output egg tray making machine. Egg trays are everywhere, and this machine can produce them efficiently from recycled paper pulp. It's a simple yet practical solution for small-scale packaging. The process begins with mixing water and recycled paper pulp. The machine molds the pulp into tray shapes and stacks them. After molding, trays need drying, either naturally or using a small drying setup. Materials required include recycled paper pulp and water. Workspace requirements are around 2.5 meters by 2.5 meters. Advantages include eco-friendly production, low material cost, and moderate automation. Trade-offs include drying space requirements, limited production speed, and regular maintenance for molds. Noise is minimal and energy usage is low. Average price of the machine, $6,500. Target users: small packaging businesses, eco-conscious product creators, or local supply entrepreneurs. Machine 5. Automatic paper cup making machine. This machine produces disposable paper cups from coated paper rolls. It forms, glues, and seals the cups automatically, which significantly reduces manual labor. Feed the machine with coated paper rolls, select the desired cup size, and it forms the cup, glues the seam, and seals the bottom. Materials required include coated paper rolls, and the workspace should be roughly 3 meters by 2 meters. Advantages include automation, consistent quality, and minimal operator intervention. Trade-offs include careful monitoring for glue quality, periodic cleaning, and occasional maintenance. Noise is moderate, and electricity requirements are manageable. Average price of the machine is approximately $5,000. Target users are small beverage service providers, local cafes, or small disposable product manufacturers. Machine 6. Hot-selling paper plate making machine. Paper plates are lightweight, disposable, and widely used. This machine shapes pulp sheets into plates using heat and pressure, stacking them automatically for packaging. Materials required include paper pulp or cardboard sheets. Workspace requirements are around 3 meters by 2 meters. Advantages include consistent shaping, simple setup, and suitability for small-scale production. Trade-offs include sensitivity to humidity and heat management. Minor maintenance involves cleaning molds and checking the heating elements. Average price of the machine, $8,000. Target users are small-scale disposable product manufacturers, eco-friendly packaging businesses, or local retail suppliers. Machine 7. Automatic popcorn production line. Popcorn might be fun, but this machine demonstrates automated food production effectively. It pops kernels, adds seasoning, and can portion the product automatically. Materials required include popcorn kernels, oil, and seasonings. Workspace should be roughly 3 meters by 2 meters. Advantages include automation, consistent portioning, and minimal operator effort. Trade-offs include cleaning between flavors, slightly larger size than other small machines, and energy usage for heating. Average price is $4,500. Target users: small snack businesses, event vendors, or home-based food production entrepreneurs. And that's a look at 7 practical small-scale machines that can transform raw materials into everyday products, all from compact workspaces. From spices and sauces to paper plates and popcorn, these machines show that manufacturing doesn't have to be overwhelming. It can be accessible, educational, and hands-on. Which of these machines do you think has the most potential for a small workshop setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Business Byte, and share it with someone curious about small-scale production and practical manufacturing methods. Every week, we explore ideas that bring production closer to home, so stay tuned.